The state of Himachal Pradesh has for many years been prone to landslides, flash floods, and extreme weather events. In recent times, we are seeing alarming visuals. Cloudbursts wiping out roads, multi-story buildings collapsing like paper, and entire villages cut off for days. The impact of unchecked construction, tree felling, and unregulated tourism on the environment now seems to have reached a tipping point. In this regard, the Supreme Court, warning of the massive ecological crisis building up in the region, today remarked that the entire state of Himachal Pradesh may vanish in thin air from the map of the country. This was while the court was hearing an appeal filed by Pristine Hotels and Resorts Private Limited, which had challenged a Himachal Pradesh government notification that prohibited private construction at Sri Taramata Hill, declaring it a green area. The company wanted to construct a hotel on the site, but the state barred it to protect the ecological balance. The Himachal Pradesh High Court had upheld the government's decision, and the company moved the Supreme Court against it. While the top court also dismissed the appeal and upheld the green zone protection, it took the opportunity to make broader observations about rampant environmental degradation. The top court today raised deep concern over uncontrolled development, tree felling, tourism pressure, and poor waste management in Himachal. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardewala and R. Madhavan said that the situation has gone so bad that revenue generation cannot come at the cost of nature. It noted that although the state collects a green tax meant for protecting the environment, there is little to no monitoring of where that money goes. And without urgent changes, natural disasters like the cloud bursts, landslides, and flash floods will only get worse. The judges pointed to recent disasters in Kullu and Manali and Mandi, linking them to illegal construction, forest guard checkposts being removed, and cutting hills without proper safeguards. The court also highlighted how unchecked tourism is damaging the environment. Waste is piling up in hill towns with no proper segregation or disposable systems. Water shortages, traffic jams, and pollution are becoming the new normal in tourist seasons, and many hotels and homestays are being built on dangerous, landslide-prone areas without clearance just to meet tourist demand. The court did not just stop at the criticism. It has converted the appeal into a PIL and directed the Himachal Pradesh government to submit a report within 4 weeks showing what steps have been taken to control the environmental damage. The case will now be heard again on 25th August, but until then, the warning is clear: save Himachal or lose it forever.